All right, we're here to show you the Cowboy Cha-Cha. You can do Cowboy Cha-Cha to a number of different songs, and you can do it both as an individual dancer or as a couple. This first tutorial we're going to show you is going to be individual.
All right, so to begin, we're going to have our left leg in front, and our right leg is going to be behind and staggered just a little bit. What you need to remember with this Cowboy Cha-Cha is that you have a tightrope. So we're going to be going forward and back. And then when we pivot 90 degrees, the same thing. We're going to be walking straight forward and then straight back. So to begin, we're going to start with our left leg in front. And we're going to do a roll. So it's going to be roll, roll. Then at this point, we're going to do a triple step going forward, starting with our left leg. What you need to remember for this entire dance is that when you do a triple step, you never cross your legs. The leg that starts leading is the leg that always stays in front. So with this, our left leg is going to be starting. So our left leg will be in front for the triple step part. So we have the roll, roll. And now, triple step. What we're doing with that triple step is we're stepping with our left, we're bringing our right to meet it, and then we're stepping again forward with our left. So we have the roll, roll, triple step. Now we're going to be doing a rock step. So we're going to bring our right leg in front of our left. We're going to rock. So we're going to transfer our weight to our right leg. Then we're going to step and transfer our weight now back to our left leg. And now we're going to be doing a triple step going backwards, leading with our right leg. So it's going to be triple step. So with that, we're going to be going right, bring left to it, and then your right. Now we're going to be doing another rock step. So we're going to be rocking back on our left leg, transferring our weight to our left leg. And now we're going to be stepping forward onto our right leg. Now we're going to repeat what we just did with just a little variation. Now our weight's on our right leg. Now we're going to be doing another triple step going forward, starting with our left. So triple step. The difference with this one is we're going to be rotating to our right 180 degrees. So our rock step, we're going to be facing the opposite wall, rocking back on our right leg, and then stepping forward on our left leg. And now, during this next triple step, we're going to be facing this wall. So triple step, and now slowly rotating over our left shoulder. So that way our rock step, we're facing the wall that we started at. So to start from the beginning, we have the roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, rock, step. 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 At this point, we're going to have our weight on our right leg, and we're going to be pivoting over our right shoulder 90 degrees. So we're going to be pivoting, and now we're going to be leading with our left leg for a triple step. That will be triple step. Now we're going to take one step with our right leg in front of our left. We will pivot over our left shoulder 180 degrees, making sure you stay on this tightrope. We will now step forward with our right and do a triple step starting with our right. Triple step. Then we'll take our left leg, we'll put it in front of our right, then we'll do 180 degrees over our right shoulder. now we'll take our left leg and put it in front of our right. And at this point, now we will start over from the beginning with our roll, roll. So from the beginning, for that, we have our roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, rock, step. 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 Now we'll pivot to our right. 1, 2, 3, turn over our left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, left leg in front, turn over our right shoulder. Then we'll put our left leg in front and roll, roll. And now we'll begin facing this direction. This is a 4-wall line dance. Some of the common things people do is they'll cross their legs when they're doing the triple step, which confuses the entire dance. Or they won't transfer their weight correctly on their rock step. So instead of rocking forward, they'll rock back and then their weight's on the incorrect foot. So there's a couple very basic things to do to make sure that this dance goes as it is supposed to. So take this slow, repeat this. If you end up getting with your partner and the foot just isn't where it's supposed to be, go ahead and go back and do it individually until you can have it as muscle memory as an individual, and then go on to this next video.